We're talking about a sleeping Godzilla underneath Yellowstone.
100-foot horizontal crack along a rock wall at Grand Teton. It emerged recently, and park officials fear it may be connected to the supervolcano located nearby.
Boundless tapestry of our universe, a forewarning echoes through the corridors of scientific inquiry. Dr. Michio Kaku, a luminary in the realm of physics, issues a profound alert. A colossal 100-foot wide crack has unfurled its enigmatic presence near the hallowed Yellowstone volcano. As the tremors of trepidation reverberate, not only within the sacred grounds of Yellowstone National Park, but also resonate across the globe, we find ourselves compelled to delve into the heart of this cosmic riddle. Is this seismic revelation a harbinger of impending catastrophe, casting a shadow over the majestic landscapes? Or does it unfold as a consequence of a more subdued geological phenomenon? Join us in this odyssey of exploration and understanding as we navigate the realms of science, peeling back the layers of uncertainty to reveal the profound mysteries that lie beneath the surface. Brace yourself for an extraordinary journey. Welcome to Universal Narratives. In a startling development, a 100-foot wide fissure crack has just opened near the Yellowstone volcano, raising concerns about the potential for heightened volcanic activity. The crack's sudden appearance has left experts puzzled and monitoring the situation closely. It's too early to determine the exact cause and implications of this event. Scientists are working diligently to gather data and assess the potential impact on the surrounding region. The Yellowstone volcano, known for its historical eruptions, remains under close scrutiny as researchers and authorities collaborate to understand this latest development and its implications for the future. Stay tuned for updates as experts work to unravel the mysteries. While this unprecedented event unfolds, in a stunning and unexpected turn of events, nature has once again reminded us of its awe-inspiring power. A 100-foot wide fissure crack has recently made its appearance near the Yellowstone volcano, raising concerns. This remarkable occurrence has sparked a flurry of activity within the scientific community as experts scramble to comprehend the potential implications of this phenomenon. Following, our exploration delves into the details surrounding this event, including the history of the Yellowstone volcano, the significance of fissure cracks, the potential risks and consequences, and the ongoing efforts to monitor and understand this unprecedented occurrence. The Yellowstone volcano is situated within the boundaries of Yellowstone National Park in the United States, and has long been an object of fascination and study for geologists and researchers alike. Renowned for its geothermal features and stunning landscapes, the park hides a potentially cataclysmic force beneath its picturesque surface. The supervolcano is known for its supermassive eruptions that have occurred periodically over millions of years. The most recent eruption took place approximately 640,000 years ago, leaving behind the iconic caldera that characterizes the park today. Fissure cracks like the one recently observed near the Yellowstone volcano are geological features formed when tectonic forces cause the Earth's crust to fracture and split open. While fissures are not uncommon, the sheer scale of the 100-foot wide fissure near Yellowstone has raised eyebrows among experts. The appearance of such a long fissure can be indicative of significant tectonic activity beneath the surface. The opening of a massive fissure crack near the Yellowstone volcano naturally elicits concerns about potential volcanic activity. Volcanic eruptions can have devastating impacts on both local and global scales. Lava flows, ash clouds, and pyroclastic surges are just some of the destructive elements that can result from a volcanic event. The eruption of the supervolcano like Yellowstone has the potential to release vast amounts of volcanic ash and gases into the atmosphere, affecting global climate patterns and possibly leading to a volcanic winter scenario. While the mere existence of a fissure crack does not guarantee an impending eruption, it underscores the importance of closely monitoring the situation. Scientists are working diligently to analyze seismic activity, ground deformation, and gas emissions to gauge the level of risk. The sudden appearance of such a large fissure demands attention and highlights the unpredictable nature of geological phenomena. In response to the fissure's appearance, scientists and experts from various disciplines have come together to closely monitor the situation. Advanced technologies, such as seismometers, GPS systems, and satellite imagery, are being employed to track any changes in the region's geological activity. This collaborative effort aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the fissure's origins, potential implications, and connection to the Yellowstone volcano. As the scientific community works to unravel the mystery surrounding the fissure crack, local authorities and emergency response teams are taking steps to ensure public safety. Communities near Yellowstone are being informed about the situation and educated on emergency protocols in the event of heightened volcanic activity. Preparedness measures are essential to minimize the potential impact of any unforeseen events and to protect the lives and well-being of residents and visitors alike. The emergence of a 100-foot-wide fissure crack near the Yellowstone volcano is a reminder of the dynamic and powerful forces that shape our planet. While the immediate implications of this event are not yet fully understood, the scientific community's response demonstrates dedication and determination to comprehend and mitigate potential risks. The history and significance of the Yellowstone volcano, coupled with the unprecedented nature of the fissure's appearance, serve as a poignant reminder of the importance of ongoing research, preparedness, and diligence in the face of natural phenomena. As we continue to explore and uncover the mysteries of our world, we are reminded of our planet's capacity for both beauty and unpredictability. Certainly, the emergence of a fissure crack near the Yellowstone volcano is a result of a complex geological process. The Yellowstone region sits atop the Yellowstone hotspot, an area of intense heat beneath the Earth's crust. This hotspot has fueled volcanic activity in the area for millions of years. The movement of the North American plate over the hotspot has created a trail of volcanic features, including the famous caldera, geysers, and hot springs. The North American plate's movement over the hotspot creates significant tectonic stress in the region. This stress can lead to fractures and faults in the Earth's crust, resulting in the formation of fissures and cracks. The size of the recent 100-foot-wide fissure indicates substantial tectonic forces at play, possibly indicating a release of accumulated stress. Yellowstone National Park experiences regular seismic activity due to the underlying volcanic activity and tectonic processes. Scientists use seismometers to monitor these vibrations, which can provide insights into the movement of magma and the potential for volcanic eruptions. Any unusual seismic patterns in conjunction with the fissure's appearance would be of particular concern and would trigger heightened monitoring efforts. Beneath the Yellowstone volcano lies a massive magma chamber, a reservoir of molten rock. The movement and pressure changes within this chamber can lead to changes in the surrounding rock, potentially causing fractures and fissures. Yellowstone's geothermal features, such as geysers and hot springs, are fueled by the heat from the magma beneath the surface. The appearance of a fissure can impact these hydrothermal systems, potentially altering their behavior. Volcanic gases, including sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, are often released from the Earth's interior before or during volcanic eruptions. Monitoring the composition and quantity of these gases is another important indicator of volcanic activity. The opening of a fissure could lead to changes in gas emissions that scientists are closely monitoring. Scientists are using advanced modeling techniques to simulate various scenarios related to the fissure's appearance. Computer models can help predict how the fissure might influence surrounding geological systems and provide insight into potential outcomes. Local authorities and agencies are working in collaboration with the scientific community to develop emergency response plans. Preparedness measures include evacuation routes, communication strategies, and shelters for affected communities. Public education campaigns are essential for ensuring that residents and visitors are aware of potential risks and how to respond in case of an emergency. While the immediate focus is on the Yellowstone region, the emergence of such a large fissure crack highlights the need for global awareness of geological phenomena. Earth's tectonic activity is interconnected, and events in one region can have cascading effects on others. The Yellowstone event serves as a reminder of the importance of studying and understanding geological processes on a planetary scale. As experts gather data, analyze trends, and model possible scenarios, ongoing research will shed light on the fissure's significance. The scientific community's collaborative efforts will contribute to a better understanding of the Earth's complex geological systems, potentially providing insights that extend beyond the specific event at Yellowstone. In conclusion, the emergence of a 100-foot-wide fissure crack near the Yellowstone volcano is a multifaceted event with far-reaching implications. It invites us to contemplate the intricacies of the Earth's dynamic processes, the potential consequences of geological activity, and the crucial role of science in understanding and responding to these phenomena. As experts continue their endeavors to decipher the fissure's mysteries and contribute to our evolving comprehension of the Earth's past, present, and future, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.